Welcome to Whisperify. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I go to school. I ride a bus. I walk to the store. I read a book. I watch TV. I listen to music. I cook dinner. I clean my room. I talk to my friends. I use my phone. I send a message. I take a photo. I rest for a while. I feel tired. I feel happy. I am busy today. I have free time. I need help. I want coffee. I like tea. I don't like cold weather. It is sunny today. It is raining. I go to bed early. This is my mother. This is my father. I have one brother. I have two sisters. My family is big. My family is small. I love my family. She is my friend. He is my teacher. We are students. They are doctors. She works at a hospital. He plays football. My baby is cute. My grandmother cooks well. My grandfather tells stories. We live together. She is kind. He is funny. I miss you. I study English. I learn new words. I write in my notebook. I do my homework. The teacher is nice. The class is interesting. I ask a question. I answer the question. I pass the exam. I need a pen. I work in an office. I have a meeting. I send an email. I use a computer. I talk to my boss. Work is hard today. I take a break. I earn money. I want a new job. I am learning a lot. I am hungry. I want rice. I like chicken. I don't eat beef. The food is delicious. The coffee is hot. I drink juice. I need bread. I go to the market. I buy vegetables. How much is this? It is too expensive. I want to pay. Here is your change. I like this cake. The restaurant is clean. I order pizza. I am full. Water, please. Thank you for the food. I live in Mumbai. I am from India. I travel by train. The airport is big. I have a ticket. I want to go home. The hotel is nice. The room is small. The beach is beautiful. I take many photos. I like this city. It is far from here. It is near the school. Turn left here. Go straight. I am lost. Can you help me? I need a taxi. The weather is nice. I had a good trip. I am happy. I am sad. I am tired. I am excited. I am busy. I am free now. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Speak slowly, please. What does this mean? How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Nice to meet you. See you later. Have a good day. Good luck. Congratulations. I'm sorry. It's okay. No problem. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Maybe tomorrow. I agree with you. I don't agree. You are right. You are wrong. Be careful. Don't worry. Take care. Good morning. Good night. What's your name? My name is... Where are you from? How old are you? I like it. I don't like it. Let's go. See you soon. Subscribe Whisperify for easy learning. Thanks for watching.